Square roots tend to give me the heebiest of jeebies, so I thought I would pull one of these up because it's a little different than finding the rising water height of a tank or something fun like that. It's not, you can't really picture this, you know? And the whole point of related rates is that we're comparing like three variables against each other to find answers. You got y, x, and time usually is what we like to use. In this case, it's the same. So they give us a formula, y equals, and I'm going to write it like this, 2x plus 1 to the 1/2, because square roots are stupid, right? It's an exponent of 1/2. And we need to find what? They're asking for part A, find dy dt, and the other one they want dx dt. So we might as well find a dt here just to start. So dy dt is going to equal 1/2, right? Power rule, 2x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. And then, of course, that's the derivative of the outside, but the derivative of the inside is necessary, isn't it? I feel like it is. And that's going to be times 2x, and still chain rule, dx dt. Because we're doing this with a dt, not just a dx. So that's a dx dt that comes alongside that stuff. And that means this 2 and this 1/2 will cancel out. So we're going to get 1 over 2x plus 1 to the 1/2, or square root if you prefer, dx dt for dy dt. I feel like that works. And so how does this compare when we have the dy dx? I feel like we already know some of this because it says if dx dt equals 3. So let's write this out. Let's clean this up. dy dt equals 1 over, I'll even write the square root for you, 2x plus 1 dx dt. And they give us dx dt is 3, and they give us that x equals 4. So obviously we're going to put in 1, well, let's put the 3 in, 3 over the square root of 9. So that's going to be 1. And I think it's going to be probably 1 or negative 1, but we're assuming the positive here. So that would be part A. That would be the answer to part A right there. And if we say it again, dy dt equals 1 over the square root of 2x plus 1 dx dt, we can multiply that up. We'll put it here, square root of 2x plus 1 instead, and we can solve the dx dt instead. So they tell us dy dt equals 5, so we'll just plug in 5, and then they say that x is 12. So that would be the square root, or sorry, is that right? Yeah, x is 12. So the square root of 25 times 5 equals dx dt. Obviously, that becomes 5 times 5, so we're going to get 25 for our answer there. And that is literally all you have to do for this question. So it's not as bad as it looked. And I think you just got to remember to do your chain rule. And when you do your chain rule, make sure, if you're doing your derivative with respect to time, that you keep doing it with respect to time. So when you take your derivative with x here, don't forget to bring your dx dt out.